So, how to fix Instagram videos slash reels not playing. So, all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode like this, go back to the settings, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again right here in the top. Wait a few seconds, it will start loading. Scroll, go to Instagram. Right here on this page you will find the app information. Click on force stop and then go down to notifications management and then enable all notifications. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that all those options are enabled. And now all what you have to do is go back and disable the airplane mode and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.